Over the weekend at Anime Expo, the worst thing happened to this artist. This is the tweet in question, and this is by Twitter user Miaoyuan. And they wrote, guys, I'm really gonna cry because we got a cash bag stolen by a group of older ladies at this con, and now I'm out almost 2K. Lost my dumb bag from middle school. I filed a police report. All of con staff and venue staff are hunting for these ladies. Miao follows up with, anyway, if you want to follow my main art shop account for updates, it's Ho Miaoyuan. I just want to rant here a little bit and scream into the void. I don't think we can do anything but wait and pray the police catch them, but I'm not super hopeful. And everybody is showing their condolences. We have Luwood writing, OMFG, real fear, I'm so sorry, Miao. And Miao writes, first time it happened to me ever and I'm devastated. Kawaii Face Miles writes, what the heck, I'm about to fight somebody and break some hips. Miao says, love you, Miles. Lucid Sky says, I'm so sorry about this. Some people don't understand how hard it is to table and work these events. I hope security can be improved next year. Miao writes, con security was actually being really helpful, thankfully, but we were in a blind spot so they couldn't get footage of the ladies. I just hope people know that it's really effed up to steal from independent artists. Cyberpunk says, sorry to hear, I heard other people had their bags stolen as well. Tamamo writes, I'm so effing sorry to hear this. It's always been my biggest fear as well because a few friends of mine have had their bags stolen in the past. I really hope you'll get it back, but con staff tends to be very unhelpful, sadly. Miao writes, con staff and venue staff were actually all really helpful and on top of it, but unfortunately our booth was in a security camera blind spot. I went to the security office and saw for myself, but they had a security and staff patrolling looking for the thieves. Miao had also linked their alt account as well, their art accounts, with more information. So this was posted the next day on September 2nd. So they added, last post about the theft before I drop it until there are updates just to clarify some things. At the time of the theft, me and my helper were distracted by two older ladies speaking to us in only Spanish, trying to ask us questions about the merch and bargain with us. According to my booth neighbor, there was a third person talking with them in front of her booth right before they came to mine and stole the cash bag. My cash bag is pretty inconspicuous and is literally a super old pencil case from Claire's, so they had to have seen me do a transaction before coming over. Our booth was in a very exposed location on the corner of the major aisle, but also in a security camera blind spot. Right after the interaction, I felt really sussed out by how weird it was and checked the front of my booth for any stolen goods, but didn't find anything missing, including tip jar displays and accessible merch. When someone came to buy something with cash moments after, I noticed the bag was gone when I tried to get them to change. I thought I had just dropped the bag, so Kuno and I searched our whole booth for the bag but couldn't find it anywhere. I immediately went to Con Ops to report the stolen items, and one of the staff in charge of the artist alley took my report in and submitted it to Con and venue security while taking my name and number down for contact. Within 15 minutes or so, the venue manager called me to ask to come review security footage of the hall and help take next steps on what to do. I have to say though, that's really good on the con because they are very fast with acting, which I absolutely love. It's always the horror stories, you know, where a lot of times they'll just kind of like blow you off and be like, oh, it's not a big deal, or, you know, maybe we'll find it, whatever. But it sounds like, at least in Anime Impulse, they try really hard to help, which I love. Doesn't change the fact that it's so unfortunate Miao got the money stolen from them. So Miao adds, I went into the security office and they explained how the cameras worked and where they cover, but unfortunately my booth was just out of view due to being right in the middle of the hall. They helped me file a police report and call for dispatch security, and the venue manager walked me back to my booth and sent out con security and venue security to start patrolling the area to locate the thieves. I was sent a photo of the backside of the two ladies who matched the description and reported it to the venue manager, who sent security to search the ladies after. They were not the culprits, and once I received a closer photo of their faces, I noticed they were much too young to have been the ladies who stole from us. An hour or two after the theft, a police officer came to my booth to take the report and asked if I could identify the individuals if I saw them and if I want to have them arrested if caught. Throughout the rest of the con, the venue manager, staff attendees, and other artists came to check on me and Kuno to make sure we were okay and if there were any updates to the situation. We were also told by other artists that we were not the only victims. Unfortunately, in the whole fiasco, we lost around $1.8 thousand in the bag itself. I'm really grateful to all of the help at Anime Impulse OC and Anaheim Convention Center staff provided throughout the process and everyone who came by to purchase and tip to help offset the loss. We can't do much else but wait until Anaheim PD gets back to me if they find the ladies, but until then, I'll just keep going and try my best to make up for the loss in other means. Thank you again to everybody, and if anyone does have info, please let me know so I can add it to the report. So again, I have to say I am so sorry for this happening to Miao. Like, theft always sucks, man. And here's the thing, okay? If you gotta do what you gotta do to survive, you know, you need to keep the lights on in your house, you need to keep your water bills paid. You do you, bro, but don't steal from a small independent artist. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm not out here condoning y'all do anything illegal, but come on, Big Corpo makes a lot of money. Like, why are you robbing small artists at Anime Impulse or any other con for that matter? In my personal opinion, the way I always look at things, people who steal from artists or small businesses like literally run by 1-2 people, you're literally scum of the scum. Truly, because I can't forgive you for needing to pay rents or needing to, like, if you truly desperately need the money, why hit somebody else that is just an individual in possibly the same position as you? That's just scum of the scum, and it's super shitty. I'm not condoning y'all do anything illegal, but come on, a small artist out of anybody. I really hope those ladies get caught, and this sounds like a scheme that these ladies have rehearsed. You know, they would use people to distract you, and then some getaway person would yoink the stuff and leave. And this has happened time and time again. It's kind of like a common robbery tactic. And the worst part, again, they always use these tactics on small businesses because there's only 1 or 2 people running the booth at one time. So it's easy to have 1 or 2 people distract you, and then the third person goes and steals. But looking at Miaoyuan's page, it doesn't look like there is any more updates as of now. I really hope there will be some updates coming soon, hopefully some good news. But if you do want to support and show some love, Miaoyuan just has a mini pin restock that just went live, so they have it linked here. So you can go check it out in their Etsy shop. Their pins are super cute. Ooh, and they have Madoka Magica pins as well, which I absolutely love. Fire Emblem pins, Niji Sanji pins as well. So if any of these are up to your liking, you know, you might want to go and make a little purchase to show some love. Oh my God, wait, I love these Pride vinyl stickers. These are really cute. So yeah, I will also have their card linked down below as well with all their socials, which will also link to their Etsy shop if you do want to support, show them some love. And again, it absolutely sucks because, I mean, I have not tabled at a convention, but I have friends who do. And the profit margin that artists make at cons is a couple grands if you are doing well. So the person who stole their bag not only stole this old Claire's bag of theirs that they seem to have a lot of sentimental value. It seems like it's no longer in production because it was from so long ago, but also like almost 2K. That is going to be a huge chunk of their profit margin just gone because some bad actors decided to steal from us, like individual independent artists, which absolutely sucks. So sorry to hear this. I really hope that those thieves can get caught and hopefully they can make everything back out or at least break even, you know. So again, please check them out. I'll link them down below. On the next episode of What Did This VTuber Do to Get Banned on Twitch, just wait till you see what this VTuber did. So all of this started with this tweet that Scarl Yonaguni posted on their Twitter page, and it is a screenshot of an email they've gotten. And this reads, "Your Twitch account, Scarl Yonaguni, has been indefinitely suspended. Hello, Scarl Yonaguni. Twitch is committed to keeping our community safe for everyone, and as part of that, we require all users to ensure that anything shared on their account abides by Twitch's TOS, yada yada yada." Scarl follows up with, "I'm laughing because I have not streamed a single day on Twitch and barely used the account. No worries, Main-san is on it." This is absolutely insane. We have already heard over and over again horror stories about VTubers getting permabanned on Twitch for random reasons. The most recent VTuber that we covered got permabanned on Twitch for telling somebody that they were going to hit them with a hammer, the ban hammer on Twitch. They got indefinitely suspended for that. And then now we have Scarl, who has not even streamed a single day on Twitch. They literally have not streamed on their account and they still managed to get bans. As to why this ban even happened in the first place, Scarl hypothesized, "I think this was due to that one time we had a party in the Twitch chat. No more offline hype trains chatto." So if you guys didn't know, on Twitch, you can gift subs to somebody's stream, whether they're offline or online. But what it sounds like, there was some sort of fun party with her viewers because they are a YouTube streamer primarily, and they were probably just gifting subs in a Twitch stream. I still don't understand how that would warrant a ban whatsoever from Twitch. Twitter users are also equally confused. Delstar says, "It was all those gifted subs out of nowhere, I bet." Scarl says, "Honestly, I think so too, XD." Tyrus Ram says, "That's so wrong, wow." And again, this is absolutely insane. Bans from a social media platform perspective make sense to have to keep your platform safe from bad actors. How is somebody who doesn't even stream on Twitch a bad actor? They say that they don't really use their account at all, in fact. All it does is benefit Twitch by allowing them to make more money and have more money in their pocket. So banning a streamer for that is the stupidest reason. But again, we have seen this time and time and time again, where Twitch is absolutely notorious for banning VTubers for the stupidest of reasons, and this is probably the most asinine reason I've seen yet. But thankfully, in good news, we can now see Scarl Yonaguni's stream is back up again, so their Twitch page is working once again. But yeah, if you're a VTuber on Twitch, I'm so sorry, man. It's rough out there for you guys, but I'm glad Scarl was able to get their Twitch page back up again. And if you like these videos, I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribe. I also stream on Twitch 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays at 6 p.m. PST. Hope to catch you guys there or in another one of my videos.